Hey everyone, welcome back to Deals 24 channel. If you love your car as much as I do, or you just want to make every drive smarter, smoother, and a whole lot more fun, then you're in for a treat today. Because we're diving into 20 must-have car accessories that'll completely upgrade your ride, from high-tech gadgets to small lifesavers you'll wish you had sooner. All of these can be found on Amazon, and trust me, you're going to want to check the links down below in the description before these deals disappear. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's jump right in. Let's start strong with the Smart Rearview Mirror Dashcam Combo. This is not your regular mirror. It's like having a mini computer right in front of you. It records crystal clear footage in 4K, shows a live rear view feed, and even has a parking assist feature. That means safer driving and complete peace of mind every time you hit the road. Plus, its night vision mode captures every detail, even in low light. Imagine never worrying about blind spots or traffic incidents again. This mirror has got your back, literally. Next up, the blind spot detector with LED alerts. An absolute game changer for highway driving. It scans your surroundings and flashes bright LED indicators when a vehicle sneaks into your blind spot. It's like having a personal co-pilot watching your sides 24/7. This little gadget boosts safety, prevents accidents, and gives you confidence every time you change lanes. Wireless tire pressure monitoring system. If you've ever had a flat tire surprise, you'll love this one, the wireless TPMS. It gives you real-time updates on tire pressure and temperature right on your dashboard. It's wireless, accurate, and perfect for long drives or extreme weather conditions. Proper tire pressure means better fuel efficiency, smoother rides, and longer tire life. That's a win-win. GPS vehicle tracker with real-time alerts. Now, for anyone who worries about theft or lending their car, the GPS vehicle tracker is your peace of mind in a small box. It tracks your car in real time and sends instant alerts if your vehicle moves unexpectedly. Some even come with geofencing features, so you get notified if your car leaves a set area. Perfect for parents, fleet owners, or anyone who values security. And who doesn't? Car heads-up display. The heads-up display projects your speed, navigation, and essential driving data right onto your windshield. No more glancing down, your eyes stay on the road. It feels futuristic but is super practical, especially on highways. You'll drive smarter, safer, and feel like you're in a luxury vehicle without paying luxury prices. Car security camera, cloud-enabled with motion alert. Meet your 24/7 digital security guard, the cloud-enabled car security camera. It records motion, sends alerts straight to your phone, and stores footage safely in the cloud. Perfect for parking lots, road trips, or city driving. It's peace of mind in a sleek, compact design that works even when you're away from your car. Smart Car Battery Charger. Tired of dead batteries in the cold? The Smart Car Battery Charger automatically detects your battery type and adjusts charging accordingly. It revives weak batteries, prevents overcharging, and keeps your vehicle ready to go all year long. It's compact, smart, and every driver should have one in their trunk. Bluetooth OBD2 Diagnostic Scanner. This one's for every DIY car owner. The Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. Plug it into your car's OBD port and get instant data on engine performance, error codes, and more. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth and helps you diagnose problems before you hit the mechanic. That means saving money and feeling like a pro every time you troubleshoot. Heated and cooled cup holder. Now this is one of my favorites, the heated and cooled cup holder. Hot coffee in winter, ice-cold soda in summer? Done! It keeps your drink at the perfect temperature with one button. Long drives just got a major comfort upgrade. Bluetooth FM transmitter. If your car doesn't have Bluetooth built in, this Bluetooth FM transmitter will change everything. Stream your favorite music, take hands-free calls, and even charge your devices all in one. It's simple, affordable, and instantly modernizes your ride. Wireless Wi-Fi hotspot 4G, 5G enabled. Stay connected anywhere with the in-car Wi-Fi hotspot. Whether you're on a road trip or working remotely, this device lets everyone in the car connect to fast internet. Stream, navigate, or join Zoom calls right from your passenger seat. No lag, no limits. Bluetooth key tracker with geofencing alerts. Ever misplaced your keys? The Bluetooth key tracker pairs with your phone and helps you locate your keys in seconds. With geofencing alerts, it even notifies you if you leave them behind. No more panic moments before heading out. Emergency keychain car escape tool. safety always comes first. This emergency keychain escape tool cuts seatbelts and breaks windows instantly. Compact and easy to carry, it's one of those things you hope you never need, but you'll be glad to have if you ever do. Dual head 12-volt electric car fan. For anyone without rear AC vents, the dual head car fan is a lifesaver. It plugs into your 12-volt socket and circulates air evenly throughout the cabin. Quiet, powerful, and adjustable, it keeps everyone cool and comfortable even on hot road trips. Rear seat entertainment tablet mount. Perfect for families. The rear seat tablet mount keeps kids entertained on long drives. It fits most tablets, rotates for perfect viewing, and keeps hands-free. No more "are we there yet?" moments. Everyone stays happy and busy. Convertible seat organizer with wireless charging. This seat organizer isn't just for holding stuff, it also wirelessly charges your phone. Keep your sunglasses, snacks, and tech neatly stored while powering up your devices on the go. A perfect blend of convenience and innovation. Car wash foam gun. Make your weekend wash days easier with the car wash foam gun. Just connect it to your hose, add soap, and spray thick, satisfying foam all over your car. It's fun, efficient, and saves tons of water while giving you that professional detailer shine. Smoke visor guards for side mirrors. The smoke visor guards protect your mirrors from rain and glare, giving you clear visibility even in bad weather. They look sleek, install in seconds, and are one of those subtle upgrades that make a big difference. Comsoon Bluetooth AUX adapter. Still rocking an older car? The Comsoon Bluetooth AUX adapter gives your vehicle wireless music and call functionality instantly. Plug it into your AUX port, pair your phone, and boom, your old ride just got a modern makeover. Car air purifier for cup holder. And finally, the HEPA air purifier for cup holder. It fits right into your cup holder and silently filters dust, smoke, and odors. If you've got allergies, pets, or just love clean air, this one's a must. Your cabin will smell fresh and feel healthier in minutes. So there you have it, 20 must-have car accessories that'll totally change how you drive.